Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video, or basically today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make tens of thousands of dollars using a specific type of Solana meme coin and literally make 10,000% plus gains every single day or week. It's extremely easy to make money with Solana meme coins right now simply because of this new trend that has just basically started. So you have still a lot of time in order to profit from this trend. So that being said, I'm going to show you guys everything in this short video on how you can use this to your advantage and just make a shitload of money. That being said, before I'm going to show you guys how it actually works, it's extremely important that you use a Telegram trading / sniper bot in order to actually buy these Solana meme coins I'm going to show you. Because in this basically tutorial, I'm going to show you a specific way in order to make a lot of money with Solana meme coins, but it requires you to quickly buy and sell these Solana meme coins. So what you need is something much faster than Radiant by Jupiter. We all know how long these sometimes take in order to basically load your transaction. It's really important that you use a Telegram trading bot. Don't really care which one you use. However, currently Trojan bot is basically the fastest one. It's the one I'm using as well. It has the most users. It's the safest one out there. So I'll definitely recommend using Trojan. It's the first link in the description below. Click on that, and basically it will bring you to Telegram. Set up your bot. Literally, it takes like 5 seconds. And basically, once you've done that, you can start sniping Solana meme coins and trading them just much faster. So go check it out. Link in the description below. Once you've set up your bot, what we're going to do is actually use a specific type of Solana meme coins in order to make a lot of money. And the type of Solana meme coins is right now the Mishi trend. I already made a video on this meme coin. It's exploding right now, sitting at a $200 million market cap. However, this trend is just getting started. And I basically want to show you guys how you can make a shitload of money from basically spin-off type of coins. So we have Mishi, the main one. However, a lot of spin-offs are right now doing extremely good. I'm going to show you guys exactly which ones that are and how you can basically spot them. To do that, what you simply need to do is head over to dexscreener.com, filter on Solana, last 24 hours, trending 24, and make sure to select volume. So you have the highest volume coins on all of Solana right here in the list. I'm going to show you guys a few coins that have been doing extremely good recently that you could have just easily found to make a lot of money. For example, Pixie. Of course, it's just basically a spin-off from Mishi. Basically, it's the same type of name. You know what I get. I mean, boat and eye. And it's also a cat. It's based on that. And basically, in the last couple of days, basically, this coin has been going absolutely parabolic. I actually saw this right here at the bottom. Unfortunately, I didn't buy, but it's right now up like 40x from off the bottom. And right now, a shitload of meme coins are doing this. I mean, the volume is right now starting to come back again with Solana meme coins, and all of these coins are just exploding right now. This one as well. You could have easily gotten in right here. You could have easily done like a 10x. And there are just so many ones that are currently doing that. Another one, Geocat, another cat coin. And yes, most of them are cat coins. Of course, Mishi is a cat, so most cat coins are going to do really good. This one, another 50x from when it basically launched. If I look at the 1 minute chart, we can clearly see that you could have gotten in right here if you just simply knew where to find and what to find. And we have just so many more. Mini as well, going absolutely insane in the last couple of days. And yeah, basically we have just so many examples of cat coins doing really good. It's just really obvious. And yeah, and basically in this video, I'm just going to show you guys exactly how you can find these coins extremely early, because it's actually quite easy. So in order to do that, head over to a new tab. So make sure you have this one open. However, go to another tab, go to DEX Screeners, but this time we're going to click on New Pairs, click on 5 minutes, last 5 minutes, Solana, and age sort for the newest first. So you're getting all the new coins that are getting created right now here on DEX Screener. So these are all the coins that have came out in the last couple of hours. And all we need to do is find cat coins. What you want to do is first of all only look at the ones that have an updated DEX Screener. This means that they have a profile picture next to their name, and if you click on it, they also have their socials right here. For example, I just randomly clicked on this one. I know it's not a cat, but it's Tishy, Michi, basically all of these coins also rhyme, and you just can easily identify them. For example, this one is doing really good. And yeah, basically if you caught it somewhere right here, I know this is really early, but this is most likely going to do really good. It's fitting perfectly into the trend. The volume is definitely there. The liquidity is really high. The chart is looking really good. You could have easily gotten it in right here, or maybe if you FOMO'd right here, that would have also been fine. And you could have already been up much, but I'm betting right now that when I basically post this video in a couple of hours that this coin is going to be much higher, because it's just so easy to identify these coins, and all of these coins are literally exploding. So yeah, this one is just one of these coins that are most likely going to do really good. But we have much more of these coins. For example, this one is already 34 minutes old, so quite late, but we want to find a new one. To do that, all we need to wait and basically do is wait till we find a cat themed coin. For example, this one, it's called Chippy. It rhymes again, Mishy, Chippy, you get the point. It is right now just launched at 12k market cap, and all you need to do in order to buy these coins, and what we're going to do is simply buy all of them. Literally maybe like 10 or 20 coins every single day, maybe more. I think generally like maybe 50 coins a day of these cat themed meme coins are launching, and only like 10%, so maybe like 5 or 10 a day are doing extremely good, meaning they will do at least like a 10x. But that's the point. If you simply buy every single one of these cat themed meme coins, most of them will go to zero. But if you simply put in a small amount in each one, then once one finally does like a 10 or 20 or 30x, which is really easy, we've already seen it with all of these other coins, you can easily recoup all of your losses with just one coin and make a shitload of profit as well. And that's why we need to use a Trojan bot, because it allows us to buy extremely fast. What we're going to do is just buy this one. If you buy right now, this goes to $1 million in market cap, which we have seen a lot already for Solana meme coins. Then that's going to be an easy, like what is that, like a 100x or something. It's crazy. If you simply put 0.1 Solana in every single one of them, and there are 50 of them launch every single day, then if you just put 0.1 in all of them, you maybe lose 5 Solana. But if just one does a 100x, which is genuinely quite possible, that's an easy 10 Solana. And it may sound crazy, maybe you think I'm yapping or something, or that this doesn't work. Trust me, I've done it as well. Currently I'm not really doing it anymore, simply because these profits are still quite small in compared to when you, for example, ape like 100 Solana into the bigger ones such as Mishi, and I'm just trying to get like a 10 or 20% move. It just makes me more money. But if you have only a small capital to invest in Solana meme coins, and you basically want to spread your risk through a lot of meme coins, and this is a really easy way in order to do that. So just buy every single one of them. For example, Cupcat, buy that one. I don't know, buy Flower Cat, Pop Cat, buy freaking Weevee. It's another cat coin, I think. You just buy simply all of them, and a lot of them will work, so keep that in mind. Only put in a small amount, like I said. However, once one or two finally do like a 10 or 20 or 50x, you've recouped all your losses and made much more. There's all the coins right now that are doing really good. Let me quickly filter right here, last 24 hours, volume. We can see right now, Geocat, it literally launched less than a few hours ago. And let's be real, if you simply snipe every coin that has cat in its name, you could have easily bought somewhere right here. As long as you're active on DEX Screener, you could have easily gotten somewhere right here. Let's say you got in right here. That's an easy 5x, and this might go higher. If you got in even earlier, you just simply sniped every single one of them. That's at 17x. So it's just really easy, and a lot of these coins are launching. This one is literally just 3 hours old, and it's already doing insane. Another one, Pippi. If you simply bought this one, I know it doesn't have cat in it, but if you simply click on it, you see it's a cat or a dog, doesn't really matter. It fits in the Mishi meta. You simply bought right here, another 15x, easy like that. Another one, Starry. If you simply bought right here, let me click 5 minutes. If you simply bought when it launched, you could have seen it's a cat, funny cat meme. If you maybe bought it right here, another 17x. It's that easy. I know it sounds easy, but it is actually that easy. The problem is not a lot of people are doing this right now. All of these people just want they have maybe like 5 Solana in their entire net worth, and all they do is put like 5 Solana in one coin. They work, and all of your money is gone. However, if you simply spread your risk and put 0.1 in 50 coins and one does a 100x, you have literally basically 2x your 5 Solana, just like that, without any crazy risk. Because the chances of just one of these 50 coins doing good are quite high right now. The markets are looking good again. So this is a pretty decent strategy in my opinion. If you have any questions about the strategy, you can always just leave them down below in the comment section below, basically in the description, comments, I think it's called. Just leave them there and it'll definitely help you out. You can also just basically follow me on Twitter, and I always post a lot of coins there as well, which I am buying myself. So if you want to follow me, you can also do that. You can also join my Telegram channel, which is like the fourth link in the description below. It's down below. So yeah, basically that being said, that's all I have for you guys right now. Just quickly want to show you guys that this trend is emerging right now and it is going insane. And all of these cat themed meme coins are just slow mooning like crazy. Genuinely, every single one of them is doing insane. Not every single one of them, but like the ones that are getting big are just exploding right now, which is good to see. So yeah, basically that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, check out the Trojan bot, first link in the description below, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto, meme coin, review or tutorial.